Seamounts, the great underwater mountains, rise thousands of meters from the ocean floor, yet remain beneath the surface. These submerged giants harbor a wealth of biodiversity, acting as sanctuaries for marine life, from corals and sponges to fish and migratory species. Their unique ecosystems create hotspots for biological diversity, providing breeding grounds and feeding spaces for a myriad of marine creatures. Formed by volcanic activity, seamounts offer crucial insights into Earth's geological past and play significant roles in oceanic currents and nutrient cycles. Scientists emphasize the need to study and conserve these isolated ecosystems, not just for their ecological significance, but for discovering new species and contributing to marine science.